In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Twilio Account SID and Auth Token, the two keys that allow apps to securely connect with Twilio. If this helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Start by logging into your Twilio console. If you're brand new to Twilio, you'll first need to sign up, verify your email, and then access the dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section called Account Info or Project Info. This is where Twilio displays your most important credentials. You'll immediately see your Account SID. This is your unique identifier used in every Twilio project and API connection. Right below that, you'll also see your Auth Token. For security, Twilio hides the token by default. Simply click the little eye icon to reveal it. Be sure to keep this token private. Anyone with access to it can make changes or send requests on your behalf. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your Twilio account, SID and Auth token anytime you need them. Comment below if you want a tutorial on securing your Auth token or creating multiple credentials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.